Good morning to everyone. Dear all students, myself Dr. Arun Yadav, guest faculty Pathology Department, LBS Medical College, Prayagraj. Hope that you are safe at home. I am aware that in this situation of lockdown, your studies are getting affected. Under noble guidance of our respected principal ma'am, teaching staff, teaching in charge ma'am, LBS pathology faculty, managing online classes. First of all, we should follow the rules and regulation of COVID-19. Today I will discuss with you the virology and topic will be general properties of viruses. We know that there are two types of cells depending on their complexity, as eukaryotes like protozoa and fungi, and prokaryotes like bacteria, mycoplasma. Even simplex, microorganisms are cells enclosed within a cell wall, containing both types of nucleic acid, DNA and RNA, synthesizing their own macromolecular constituents and multiply by binary fission. It means all cells have their own cellular organization and enzyme machinery and contain both type of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. In case of viruses, they do not have cellular organization like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nucleolus, etc. are absent. And viruses contain only one type of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, but never both. Due to lack of their own cellular organization and enzyme system, they are obligate intracellular parasites. It means they are active only on a host cell. Due to lack of their own enzyme machinery, they lack enzyme necessary for protein and nucleic acid synthesis and are dependent for replication and synthesis machinery for host cells. Viruses occupy twilight zone that separates the living from non-living. Viruses are parasites on all type of organisms. They infect animals, plants, bacteria, algae, and insects. Lord's Mr. Love 1957 defined viruses as viruses are infectious, potentially pathogenic nucleoprotein with only one type of nucleic acid, which reproduce from their genetic material, are unable to grow and divide of enzymes. In the same way, Luria and Darnell in 1968 also defined virus as viruses are entities whole genome of which are element of nucleic acid that replicate inside the living cells using the cellular synthetic machinery and causing the synthesis of specialized elements that can transfer the viral genome to other cells. Now we will discuss the characters of virus given by Love and Turner in 1962. All are potentially infectious. Second, presence of single nucleic acid. Incapable to grow the genetic material only. reproduction from the genetic material only, absence of enzyme for enzyme metabolism, absence of ribosomes, absence of information for the production of enzyme in the energy cycle, absence of information for the synthesis of ribosomal protein, and absence of information for the synthesis ribosomal RNA and soluble tRNA. In the 1935, Stanley crystallized the virus that was TMB virus like a chemicals. It means virus can be crystallized just like a chemical. Now I will discuss about morphology of virus. First, shape. There are different types of shapes of viruses: spheroid or cuboid, just like adenovirus, elongated potato virus, bullet shape, rabies virus, filamentous bacteriophage. Now come to the size. The size of viruses varies from 20 nanometer to 300 nanometer in diameter. Now we come to the viral structure. The complete assembly of infectious particle is known as virion. A virion consists of nucleic acid core surrounded by protein coat or capsid. The complete set of virion is known as nucleocapsid. Nucleocapsid may be naked or enveloped by a loose covering. The capsid composed of a large number of subunits known as capsomeres. It means the monomer of capsid is capsomere. Now come to the chemical structure of envelope. Chemically, the envelope is made up of protein and glycoproteins. Due to presence of lipid, the envelope is flexible and loose. Envelope is composed of both host and viral components, that is protein of viral specific and carbohydrate of host specific. There are certain projections on the envelope known as spikes, which are arranged in distinct units. Now come to the nucleic acid. The nucleic acid of DNA, the nucleic acid of viruses are either DNA or RNA. It may be single stranded, double stranded, circular or linear. Now come to the protein part. In virus there are four groups of proteins. First, envelope, both viral and host. Second, nucleocapsid, also known as structural protein. Third, core protein, that is found in the nucleic acid. And fourth is a viral enzyme. In many animal enzymes, in many animal viruses, RNA and reverse transcriptases are found. Now come to the carbohydrate. A substantial amount of carbohydrate is specified by either by host cell or viral genome is found in viral envelope. The carbohydrate found in viruses are galactose, mannose, glucose and glucosamine. The carbohydrates are hexoses or hexaminases, which are present in the form of glycoprotein.